Everybody's MacBook makes noise, but what's normal and what's not? Let's break it down. First up, fan noise. If your MacBook sounds like it's prepping for takeoff, it's likely just cooling down. But if it's constant and loud, check for dust buildup or software overload. Next, clicking sounds. Hear a click click click? It might be your hard drive. Back up your data ASAP and consider a visit to the Apple Store. Now, for internal issues. If you hear grinding or buzzing, it could be a hardware problem. Don't ignore it, seek professional help. Remember, regular maintenance can prevent these issues. Clean your MacBook, update software, and avoid overheating. Got persistent noise? Time to call a tech expert. Keep your MacBook running smooth and quiet. Happy computing.